Hey guys, it's Adri. So today I have for you a 3-minute hairstyle. I almost did 4. This is a low knotted ponytail. For those of you who have like quick mornings and your hair's maybe a little bit more dirty and you just want to throw it up in a ponytail. Now my hair looks crazy. So you do need a little bit longer of hair to do this style, just slightly longer, enough to tie into a knot in the back of your head. And be sure you subscribe to my channel right down here so you don't miss any of my future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked the hairstyle. And let's get started. So to start out, you're gonna grab a hair tie and put it around your wrist, and then section out 2 sections of hair in the front of your head, gathering the rest at the back and tying it off in a low ponytail. And then once the ponytail is tied off, I tug at the hair at the crown of my head just to give myself more volume and to make my ponytail a little bit less tight. And then taking the 2 sections of hair we pulled to the front, you are going to bring them to the back and tie them in a little half knot by crossing one of them over the other and then pulling the other one underneath, up and down through the hole. It's just like tying your shoes. And then pull on them to make them a little more tight. And then we're gonna take the tails and just pull them underneath our ponytail and then tie them off together with a clear elastic. You could also just use bobby pins and pin it to your head. If you need to use a clip to get your ponytail out of the way so this is a little easier, feel free to do that. I did not have one on hand when I did this tutorial. Once you have those 2 tails tied together, go ahead and tug on them to make sure they're tight. And then I like to pull at the knot just to make it look a little more loose and to cover my black ponytail I have in. And then go ahead and pull out any fringe you want, framing your face. And then I sprayed a little bit of hairspray on my fingers and worked it into the little baby hairs I have at the nape of my neck on either side. Then to give my ponytail a little more volume, I took a little comb and I back combed it or teased it just to make it look a little bit more full and pretty. And there's the finished look. This literally took like 2 or 3 minutes, so this is a great hairstyle if you need something quick and classy. And here's a little dance for you because it took 3 minutes. I hope you guys liked this hair tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe right down here below so you don't miss any of my future hair videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.